Good morning, students. Today we start with grade 9, chapter 6, polynomials. So what do you mean by polynomial? Polynomial is an expression which generally contains two or more algebraic terms. So see, the exact meaning of polynomial. Polynomial is made up of two words, that is poly and nomial. Poly means many and nomial means terms. So that's why polynomial is said to be an expression which contains two or more algebraic terms. Let x be a variable that is also said to be a literal and n be a positive integer where a0, a0, a1, a2, so on so, a and b some constant that also said to be real numbers, then an x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus so on so plus a2 x to the power 2 plus a1 x, if you want to add x to the power 1, that is your choice, plus a0 is known as a polynomial in x. You can see that everywhere we have only single variable, that is x. That's why this polynomial is in x. Generally we use the notations f of x, g of x and h of x, etc. to denote a polynomial in variable x, because we write here x only. If we write here y, so we can say that in variable y. For an example, p of y is equals to 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial in y. Because you can see guys, there is only one variable, that is y. Having the degree 2, you can see that the degree is highest degree. Degree means what? The highest power present in our polynomial is said to be the degree of the concerned polynomial. So here is which highest power? Here is 1 and here is 2. So the highest power is 2. So we can say that the degree of the polynomial is 2. And this 2 I am talking about. Then minus 3, this minus 3 I am talking about. And this 4 are said to be coefficient of y square. 2 is coefficient of y square. Minus 3 is coefficient of y. And 4 is your constant term respective value. So students, this is all about your polynomial. Let us solve some question based on this topic or concept. Our first question is, give one example each of binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. In order to solve this question, students, it is very important and necessary one should understand what is binomial and what is monomial. Already we have discussed this so many times. Monomial are that kind of expressions having one term, and the expression with the two term is said to be binomial. So write an example according to the question. I am writing here, students, 2t plus 5. This is what this is. You can see that here we have two terms. So this is what binomial. But we are bound to write the degree. Degree is 35 for binomial. So I am writing here, students, 2. That is your choice. If you want to write this 4x to the power 35 minus 6 minus 5 minus 2, that is your choice. This is also example of a binomial. Next we have to write example of a monomial. So I am writing here monomial example. This is what this is binomial example. And now students, I am writing monomial example. This is binomial. Monomial is one expression, so I am writing here 2t only, students. But I am bound to write the degree, so I am writing degree 2. Otherwise 4, if I write 4 z to the power 100, otherwise 7 z to the power 100, that is your choice. Because here are 100 of examples in this case where we have to write a binomial with degree 35 and monomial with degree 100. Hope you understand. Next question is, guys, classify the polynomials as linear, quadratic, cubic as well as biquadratic polynomial. First of all, it is also necessary to understand that what you mean by linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is those polynomial having highest degree 1. Quadratic polynomial, the polynomial having highest degree is 2 is said to be quadratic polynomial. Cubic, the polynomial having the highest degree, not highest degree, we can say degree, highest power we have to use. If we use as highest, the word is appropriate power. If we have to use degree, the degree is alone we have to speak or use. If we get the degree 3 in the polynomial, then it's said to be the cubic polynomial. If in the given polynomial the degree is 4, the polynomial is said to be biquadratic. Let us solve this. You can see that here is our degree is what? 2. Degree is what? 2. Degree is what? 2. So this is what? This is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So this is what, students? Quadratic polynomial. So this is what, students? Quadratic polynomial. Second, you can see that, students, here is what degree is. Which degree is here, students? You can see that here is no power is visible. No power is seen to us. So whenever there is no power, so this power is 1, I think so. So y to the power 1 means y. So degree is what, guys? 1. So what kind of this polynomial is said to be? This polynomial is said to be linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. I am using the short form poly. Then next, third part. 7 to the power 7t to the power 4 plus 4t to the power 3 plus 3t minus 2. You can see that here three powers are present, 4, 3 and 1. But degree is what? Degree means highest power, that is 4. Whenever the power or degree is 4, the polynomial is said to be biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. So students, hope you understand the concept of polynomial and these questions based on the polynomials. So try to solve the same questions at your home. Till then, bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you.